Well, I portray the character of a cop and a wife, Imran's wife, in the film. She's someone who's very, very confident, very, very independent. She has her own definite views about life and how she wants her life to be. So I think this character basically represents the woman of today, woman of substance. I think all the characters that I have portrayed have been very different from each other. Whether it was Mohabbatein, where I was this schoolgirl, or Agnipank, where I was a Air Force pilot, or Vajay, where I was a pop star. Here I'm a cop. In Fareb, I am a corporate woman. So they have been different from each other, but more or less they do have the same shades. Absolutely not, actually, because when I heard the script, I loved my character. It had so many different shades. Apart from that, the subject was really, really, really strong. Film that I wanted to be a part of. The film basically, deals with contemporary issues that young couples today, go through in their relationships or a marriage. And it's like we all think that love is enough to keep a relationship going, but we don't understand that apart from love, there's a lot of compatibility, a lot of understanding, a lot of compromises from both the sides, and when we let egos come in the way of our relationship, it poisons the relationship and it ruins the relationship. So this is something a lot of people out there can relate to. A lot of young couples out there will relate to. Well, the kind of roles that I wanted to portray didn't really come my way. That's the only reason why I waited for so long, and that's probably why I'm having a release after so long, because I really didn't want to settle with the work that I did, and I think it's been worth the wait because now I'm doing some good work, that's making me happy at least, and I'm satisfied with the work that I'm doing.
You did Bewafa where you were not exactly playing the lead role.
No, I wasn't.
You were the second lead. Did you sign on the film just because it was a big banner?
Well, to be very honest, I wanted to be a part of the film because it was Dharmeshji's film, and Dharmeshji has done a wonderful job with Shilpa in Dhadkan. And I mean, there's a lot you learn from directors like that. He's made some wonderful films, and my character was very, very different in terms of it was a mad character, probably a character that doesn't exist. She was really, really loud, and for me, that was a challenge. So that was one of the reasons why I wanted to go ahead and be a part of this film.
Work with Anil Kapoor?
Well, I think it's wonderful to work with seasoned actors like Anil Kapoor. There's Akshay. There are so many stars in the film. So there is so much you learn from all of these actors. Apart from that, my character in Bewafa was that of a mature woman. I played a wife. So we took a lot of care of the look in terms of the hair, makeup, what I wore. And there is a lot I learned from Dharmeshji as far as acting is concerned. Even small things like makeup. He's so particular about makeup as well, which is really, really nice. So I can't say I've not learned anything from that man. You know what I'm saying?
Coming back.
Uh, I think it really helps because it helps you stay in character. When the film start to finish film kind of helps you. Apart from helping you stay in character, I guess you just get better and better. In time, it helps you kind of um, understand your character better. When there's a gap in the middle and you're shooting, for another film, then you do get distracted a little, and then it takes some time to get back into character. But I think it's amazing that they complete their films so fast. That's one of the really, really good things about working with the Bhatts. Well, I don't know. Characters with good scope for performance. Anything can excite me. I don't know, to be very honest. But I've not tried comedy. I'd love to try that. Apart from that, yeah, let's just take it one step at a time.
Besides that, which films are you going to be seen in?
Well, there's Fareb. After this, that's with Shilpa and Manoj. And after that, there's Rokda. That's with Ramesh Katkar. He's Ramuji's assistant. Shaping up my career. Shilpa Shetty. Well, I think I don't know if I would have been a part of this film industry if not for her. She did influence me. I have to admit. But there is so much I have learned from my sister in so many years, even when I was not a part of this industry. Um, I mean, whether it's small things like makeup, hair, costumes, You know, there's so much I have learned from her, and she's always there to give me the right advice, you know, which is really nice. Honestly, the tips came along after she saw my first performance. Like, okay, this is what you need to do, this is what you don't need to do. But you know, over there, I don't think she really needed to interfere in any way, because I was working with Aditya Chopra A, and secondly, Manish was doing my clothes. I had Michelle Tung doing my makeup. You know, we had the best out there. So she wasn't really worried. She knew I was in good hands.
How excited is Shilpa generally when she goes to the premieres, maybe, or she watches your film?
She's very excited, and I'm very scared, because you know, she's like my best critic, I can put it that way, actually, and she's honest, which is nice. Well, I take it very well, good or bad criticism. I mean, whatever. I, I mean, it's coming from my sister, so you know, I think I would get really bored if I kept hearing nice things about me. You know what I'm saying? If somebody comes and says something nice to me, I'd be like, okay, yeah, okay, what didn't you like? You know, so that's what kind of helps you, you know, grow, evolve as an actor, and you know, I wouldn't want to just hear praises. She's my sister, so she is pretty protective. But I think you come across good and bad people in any field. You know, it's not necessarily in the film industry. So, as a sister, I guess, yeah, it's natural for her to be protective. Firstly, I never thought I was sexy. Okay. But no, when I didn't really want to be, I didn't know what image I would have, to be very honest. I think after Sharara, people started looking at me as, oh, this sexy thing or whatever, you know, which I'm still a little uncomfortable with. But no, I had no set notions or anything about. I used to be happy for her, because at the end of the day, when for an artist, when your work is acknowledged, is appreciated, that is the best feeling. And I mean, whether it's fan mail or any fan coming and telling her that, listen, I loved your work and so, you're dancing, or you know, whatever, then of course I'd be happy for her. No, I think I was very confused. I didn't know what I wanted to do. You know, I remember I wanted to do fashion designing a very long time back. I got my diploma in fashion designing, and right after that, I started getting a lot of offers, because of which, you know, I sort of, to be very honest, I didn't know if I could be an actress, because I was a complete introvert. So that's why I went to this acting school for like, you know, 3 months, and I understood that I could probably perform in front of people, because I was very, very shy, you know, and that's when I got an offer from Yash Raj Films. I think everything just fell into place, you know. I guess I was just meant to be here. No, not because of that. It's a character I can relate to. She's very, very close to my heart. And I've just put in a lot of hard work in this particular film, you know, portraying this character. And that's what I like, you know, when it's a role, I mean, when it's a challenge for me, then, you know, that's what's exciting about portraying any character. Well, never say never. If a great song comes my way, then maybe I will do it. I don't know. I don't know what the future has in store for me. It was lovely working on Fareeb, firstly because my sister is a part of the film as well. Apart from that, I loved working with Deepak. He is such a darling. You know, he's the most chilled out person to work with. You know, if you're not feeling well, then he'll be like, okay, are you sure you want to shoot? Can you shoot? So he's so caring, he's so loving. And apart from that, he's a really good actor himself. So, you know, he made me understand, he helped me understand my character that I was portraying in Fareeb. So, I mean, I really felt like I was at home, you know, and I actually felt so bad on the last day, you know, of Fareeb, shooting for Fareeb, because I got so attached to the whole unit. So it was lovely working with them.
When Fareeb releases, are you afraid of any comparison between you and
Well, I hope there are no comparisons made, because we're two separate individuals, you know, Shilpa and me. And apart from that, she's been around for a very, very long time. And compared to her, I would still say I'm practically new, you know. So I hope comparisons are not made.